Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning Channel, English Vocabs. Today we are going to learn 30 occupation vocabularies. Waiter. The waiter brought us the menu and took our order. Dentist. He goes to the dentist's for a checkup every 6 months. Nurse. He worked as a nurse in a psychiatric hospital. Electrician. Our washing machine has broken. I'll ring the electrician. Doctor. I have to go to the doctor. Businessman. Sammy was a powerful businessman. Football player. He's a famous football player. Student. My sister became a college student. Surgeon. I discussed the operation with the surgeon. Soldier. A soldier must be honest, honorable, and brave. Repairman. His father was a TV repairman. Scientist. His ambition is to become a great scientist. Reporter. He is a reporter with one of the national newspapers. Construction worker. The construction worker is working on the new building. Painter. He is a painter in watercolors. Police. If he doesn't leave now, we're calling the police. Postman. A postman is a government employer. Photographer. The photographer shot the usual roll of pictures. Pilot. He spent 17 years as an airline pilot. Mechanic. The mechanic soon fixed up the machine. Magician. You should know that a magician never reveals his tricks. Clown. We hired a clown for Tom's birthday party. Gardener. She is a keen gardener. Farmer. She came from a family of dairy farmers. Fireman. We trust the firemen to put out fire. Engineer. He trained as a civil engineer. Carpenter. Ask the carpenter to build in some cupboards. Architect. As an architect, I always start my design process with sketches. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.